portable i5 11th generation machine which can be used for video editing as well as basic gaming purpose. So all I want to know is, come with me and I'll show you what are the products which we are going to use in the assembling of this machine. First we are coming with i5 11th generation processor 1140F 11th generation processor. We are going to use motherboard ASUS 510ME which has an M.2 NVMe slot. We are going to use SM570 WD SSD which is high speed, latest 3000 Mbps. Then we are going to use 2GB graphics card which can be used for editing as well as gaming. Coming forward, we have 1 TB hard disk and 2 TB hard disk which we are going to use, and RAM 8 GB. There is a backup UPS over here for Zebronics, keyboard mouse wireless and headphone wireless. So come on, let's go for the building purpose. This is 11th generation processor, as we said 11400F. You can see it is sealed back. There is a serial number over here, so let's unbox it. We have processor and here. Moving forward, we have ASUS Prime 510 motherboard which is having M.2 NVMe slot, 2 RAM slot. So let's unbox it and get it back. Serial number and all over. 8GB crucial RAM, frequency. So this is WD Blue SN570 250GB SSD which has got up to 33,000 Mbps write speed. So let's open this. Two TB WD hard disk with 7200 RPM speed. 2GB GT610 graphics card, Zebronics. Let's open this. Machotower. Installation is completed and let's see how it works. As you can see, within 5 seconds the machine is already started, and this is how fast the SSD is working. So let's see the display. You can check out, this is Benq GW2480 24 inches monitor which is IPS flicker free, and so this is it. The whole set is ready. We are all done. Thanks for watching. So this is the customer for whom we have built the machine. Aniket below. Let's see what he wants to say and कशासाठी त्यांनी तयार केलं.
मी कम्प्युटर घेतला माझ्या फोटोग्राफी बिझनेससाठी आणि हा माझा पहिलाच पर्सनल कम्प्युटर आहे.
कसं वाटलं तुम्हाला बिल वगैरे आणि मॉनिटर?
स्क्रीन आणि सर्व्हिस एकदम जबरदस्त आहे यांची, स्पेसिफिक कम्प्युटर्सची.